Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I'm back. I just wanted to do a quick share. I'm personalizing some gifts for my children. Yes, you can see this is my son's name right here. You guys know the minky fabrics and stuff. Everybody loves minky fabric. So I pulled this out of my stash, some gray minky fabric with some embossed stars on it. Anyway, I cut their names or some stuff out for their personalized item. This is what I got them. It's the Huggle hoodie. Huggle hoodie. Anyway, I thought, you know, they love these cozy blankets, but when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect because they could just walk around with their blankets. And especially here in this house, it's going to be a little chilly. So I got them these. They're all the same color. And I cut out their initials or their names. So this one here is my daughter's part of her name. So all their names start with a K. At first I was going to do initials, and then I was like, yeah, let's just make something else. So I use the second part of their name or first part of their name, just depending on which kid. So we love her, Noelle, her name. So I stitched her name on the hoodie, and I just used a zigzag stitch. Now, I don't care that it's not perfect. This is the whole point of a handmade gift. I just want it to be personalized and know that it was made from mom. But you know, this is what I've got going on. I'm just going to stitch up the rest of my my other two kids' blankets and wrap these up and put it under the tree. But yeah, I thought, you know, use the minky fabric because, you know, this thing is so soft. The inside is so soft, and I didn't want to use like satin or nothing. I just wanted to use the minky. And I thought that was cute. So I don't know. I love it. I mean, you could always go out and buy those patches, but they didn't have what I was looking for at the local stores. So this is what I came up with. It's not perfect, but it's definitely from love, from mommy. And I'm going to work on my boys and put their names on their hoodies, Huggle hoodie, whatever you want to call this thing. But I think they're all going to love it. So that is the first one. And now I got to work on the rest. And I'll share with you at the end what they all look like. So yeah, stay till the end and I will see you soon. Okay, I am back. It took a while. But this is what this one looks like. This is my second oldest son. Or my second oldest. My second child. Oh my God, I cannot. I'm exhausted. Anyway, here is his hoodie. And then here is my youngest. And then this is my youngest. I put his name on there. And then this is my daughter, and we both love Noelle. Oh my gosh. So yes, enjoy guys. You see, it is not perfect. None of them are perfect, but it's a meaning of love, or not a meaning, but it comes from the heart. That's what I wanted to say. And yeah, I'm gonna go wrap these up now and get them ready for Christmas. And if I don't see you all again until the new year, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys on the next crafty video. Thanks for watching. Bye.